starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here is so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light. And this light, the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light. And this light, the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright. And the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different. Now that I see you. 운명적인 사람을 만난다는 건 어떤 느낌일까요?
뭐랄까 마치 환한 빛이 내 온몸을 따뜻하고 포근하게 감싸는 나른함이랄까?
그럼 그 느낌을 노래로 한번 표현해봐 주실래요?
Others day chasing down the daydream. Others sleep living in a gloom. All that time never truly seen thing. The day they were. Now she's here shining in the starlight. Now she's here, suddenly I know. If she's here, it's crystal clear. I'm where I'm meant to go. And I see the light, and this light, the fog